Hello, fashion lovers. It's good to have you on this entertaining episode on this House of Fashion. Hope you're all doing good and hope you're all staying safe. Today, I'll be taking you through lovely and beautiful kaftan dress, and some of the dress that we'll be seeing on this YouTube channel are Bubu Kaftan dress. So, if you are here for the first time, you are at the right place to be. You are on this House of Fashion, and this particular episode is called African Fashion Reloaded, whereby we'll be showing you African beautiful Ankara print fabric and some styles that are made with them. Thank you to all of our subscribers. You are amazing people because you've always supporting our YouTube channel, watching all of our video back to back, and expect more lovely and amazing video on the way. We'll be bringing you a lot of tutorials as well, so that's why you have to continue to watch all our videos on this particular YouTube channel. And for those that are just joining up for the first time, I really want to welcome you to the family. We are this House of Fashion. We bring you latest fashion and lovely tutorials whereby you become a professional in few days, and we've made over 200 videos on our YouTube channel whereby you will learn how to cut and how to sew perfectly. And we have made some unique styles in this particular channel that you are just joining. That's why you have to turn on the notification bell when you subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that whenever new video arrives, you'll be the first to get the update. And don't forget to drop your comments on this particular video that you're watching. You can also give this video a thumbs up. So I'll be leaving all these lovely and beautiful outfits for you to watch to the end. I hope you've seen one lovely style that you want to add to your wardrobe. These are beautiful and elegant style. We have unique style from different designers around the world. You can see this bubble gown. It is lovely and beautiful. So we'll be bringing you more lovely and beautiful rich Aunty style, latest design, Ankara fabric, and so many more videos coming on the way. That's why you have to always join us on our YouTube channel, because we'll give you updates on African Ankara fashion and lace fabric. You expect more of lovely and beautiful video. So if you're just joining us for the first time, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we'll be bringing you updates on African fashion wear. And for those that have already subscribed, thank you for always tuning in on our YouTube channel. I'll be expecting you in our next episode on this particular YouTube channel. So have a lovely and amazing time. Bye for now.